हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब खैर खैरियत से होंगे। वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल हेलो टेक। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। जो लोग मेरे चैनल पे न्यू हैं प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करना मत भूलें। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज की मेरी वीडियो का टॉपिक है हाउ टू मेक मनी ऑन ट्विटर 10 न्यू स्ट्रेटजीज 2023। Twitter is like a double-edged sword. You can either use it ergo with a random stranger, or you can use it go smarter, healthier, and wealthier. In fact, since joining Twitter in May 2020, I have gained over 206,000 followers and made 2167 $2.97 in passive income from selling my Gumroad products on Twitter in the last 12 months. So if you want to learn how to make money on Twitter, then this will be your go-to guide. Let's get started. Sneak peek recommending Twitter tool, the blueprint to build a six-figure Twitter business. Create 20 by 7. Learn how to build a Twitter account that will earn you hundreds of likes on your tweets, tens of thousands of followers, and hundreds of thousands of dollars. The Mastermind Community for Social Media Entrepreneur Masterclass 24 by 7. The interactive community for social media mastery. Masterclass 24 by 7 is a mastermind community where accounts that have over 100,000 followers and make plus 6 minus figure online share their best kept secrets and playbooks with members. 10 ways to make money on Twitter. You can make some serious money on Twitter as long as you are consistent and committed to building your account. With that said, here are the 10 proven ways to make money on Twitter. Become a ghostwriter, affiliate marketing, build your email list, promote your business, post sponsored tweets, super follows, use ticketed spaces, start a community, sell your product services, get clients. Bonus: how to increase your chances of making money on Twitter. Become a ghostwriter. A writer a Twitter ghostwriter is someone who writes content in the form of tweets and threads for another person or company. In exchange, the ghostwriter earns money for the writing they provide. It's proven idea that can quickly become a six-figure business. For example, one of my good Twitter friend was recently paid $12.5K by one client for his ghostwriting service. Most business owners do not have time to think about how to create a tweet, the optimal time to spend it out engaging with their Twitter audience, and that's where someone like a Twitter ghostwriter would come into play. How to do it. Want to make money as a Twitter ghostwriter? Here the proven formula to get your first ghostwriting client. Join Masterclass 24 by 7. Enter the Masterclass 24 by 7 Discord channel. Study the methods in the Discord ghostwriting channel. Go to the Masterclass 24 by 7 library and watch the ghostwriting webinars. Take notes and implement the proven methods from the webinars. Keep writing, learning, and building your Twitter brand. Reach out to people who are looking to sell products or services. Book a call interview with your potential client. Once your prospectus has shown some interest in your ghostwriting, the next step might be to request a call with them and ask pinpointed questions such as what are your goals, who is in your network, what are your expansions, what cool facts about you, what is your target audience, which Twitter accounts do you look up to, what are some commonly asked questions you get. Once you have answer to this question, you can start crafting your tweets and potentially even Twitter threads. And that's why I recommended you first start your ghostwriting journey by learning the strategies provided in Masterclass 24 by 7. It will take time to build your brand on Twitter, and it will require lots of hard work and long hours on your part to prove to other Twitter accounts that your tweets does drive traffic and engagement. Affiliate marketing one of the best ways to make money on Twitter. Affiliate make sale by getting people to click on their affiliate link. Anytime someone click on your affiliate link and make a purchase, you shall receive a commission. Here's are an example. The image above shows of one of the most common strategies used by affiliate marketer. Here's breakdown of the strategy. Create a high engagement tweet. Wait to get a reasonable engagement rate. Plug your second tweet with your affiliate link below. To see result as an affiliate marketer, you shall have to be consistent with your effort. And many more knowledge about Twitter earning you see and joining Twitter. Hope so you will like my video. Please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.